10 at 9 na taong gulang na mga bata may nakakita ng multo sa banyo.
Show the door. Wait lang. Kasi, nandito kami. Iisa na ako kasi nakalak yung pinto. Tinignan namin dito, tapos parang may nakita kaming buhok. Parang,
Brown?
di ko alam.
Brown yung ulo niya.
She was sitting in the bathtub. She was like, what do you call that? Video. She was doing like, baka kayo guys makatulong sa amin kung,
Show me that the door's locked. Okay, Chad. The door's shut.
sorry. Guys, there's something scary here. You know that the door is locked.
Yeah, because the camera's bad.
Open the lights. Okay, pull. Put it. Okay. Guys,
Wait. I'm gonna check it.
wait. Put it here. Put it here. Okay, guys. Ito yung nakakatakot, guys. Di ba nakalock, guys? Ilagay mo lang yung fingernail mo sa loob. Pag nilagay mo, tingnan mo to. Oh, nakakatakot to. Nabubuksan na. Nakabukas. Yung pintana yan. Nakabukas. May dugo.
Pagbukas ng pinto may nakita silang dugo sa lababo at fingerprints sa bintana.